This home is brought to you by Roxana Shepley. If you would like to learn more about how your home could be listed by Roxana, visit her at www.roxanashepleyrealtor.com or call 478-256-3120. Beautiful home in Southfield SD on 1.11 acres in the cul-de-sac with a detached 1-car 20 by 25 garage/workshop. See additional document for details. Kitchen west/breakfast bar, granite counters and separate coffee station west/its own sink. Laundry room west/mud sink. Hardwood flooring in living areas and master bed, tile in wet areas. Huge 583 square feet. Patio for entertaining and barbecues.